So good news, the lights came on while I was in the middle of, I guess, talking to y'all sometime. At some point it came on. And I'm about to brown this beef so I can put it in the crock pot while we have lights. And Mari is up in here putting the dishes for me.
Yes.
That's one of his chores.
Yes. Hello.
Well, guys, in the middle of me making the gravy, lights went out again. Y'all, he wants to believe that it's the breaker box so bad. Oh, look, he looking at me. Back at Kroger. Like I told you guys, we went to the store yesterday. Y'all saw that in our last vlog, but we forgot about water. We thought we had at least another case of water back at home. Excuse his hair, I just never got to it, but this is a cute picture, huh? Yeah. What's coming up, Daniel?
My birthday.
Your birthday coming up. How old are you gonna be?
Look.
What happened, Mari?
We're gonna have so much fun, and we're gonna have a birthday cake for Dan. Look, huh? Look,
all this ice on the roof. But yeah, so the lights went off at 9 o'clock when we were filming earlier. I edited a video, which is the first vlog. But my computer died. I don't know if it finished editing before.
Huh? My window down.
You want the window down?
Mine.
If you sit down, I'm going to think about it.
My window down.
If you sit down. But
Look.
after I finish editing,
Mom.
first of all, huh?
I went down.
I don't know why it's doing that. He like, I'm going to reach for it myself. Look, Daddy's coming back. Uh-oh. You better sit down. Okay, so anyway, lights went out. I stopped cooking. I was in the middle of making a gravy. I stopped cooking. Dion went to take a nap because he was still tired. The kids went clean up, and then when I finished editing, I came upstairs around like 1. That wasn't 1. It was like 11, 12ish.
Dan, come back. Okay.
Danny, baby, you gotta get out of that seat. But 11 to 12, and then we took a family nap. Woke up, lights still off. Crazy. But yeah, so it's supposed to be like this again on Wednesday. As of right now, the Mari's 4-day weekend turned into a 5-day weekend. And yeah, I think that's the only update I have at this time that I can think of. Dion desperately wants it to be the breaker box. But on the way here, we saw that our electrical company was working on the apartments across the street.
Yes,
across the highway.
They were.
You got something to say? Butting into my conversation.
I just want to open the door into the conversation.
Oh, he wanted to open the door into the conversation.
Water? Water?
Y'all, I need some hot food. We eating zebra cakes. I can't. I really need some hot food, man. It's like Kroger know when somebody put the... I don't want that. I just said I wanted some hot food. That's gonna make me throw up. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah.
I really do need some
bread.
hot food. You should have got me a Dr. Pepper, babe.
I thought about it. I got enough change. I got some change on me.
I'm ready to go home. We're gonna get stuck in... Babe, we got street lights.
Yeah, I think
You
that.
see over there? There's one. There's hope. Babe, they got lights over here. Babe, we got lights. Please, Lord, let us have lights. Let us have lights. If we have lights, y'all, I'm uploading the vlog today. Today. I'm making sure everything is charged. Lord, I will never take electricity for granted ever again.
What?
Ever. I hope our lawnmower's still there because we left our garage door open.
I don't think no. Yo. Yeah,
You will be surprised.
Yeah, that's crazy.
If this was Louisiana, it'll be gone. It'll be gone. Babe, you know what that just made me think of?
What?
Remember that older guy who used to cut our grass in our first house? At our first house? And his wife talk about, that's some ivy.
Some ivy on your trees.
Can I have it? We got lights.
We got lights.
We got lights. Our neighborhood got lights, y'all. Babe, go.
That's a red light that is flashing. You want me to go?
But they going straight. You turning.
Nah, baby. Red means stop. You told me that.
The gas station is open.
You still that Dr. Pepper?
Not really. I'm ready to get this snow. I got juice. I shouldn't even be drinking.
I'm ready to play with snow.
You ready to go play with some snow? Look there.
A snow dog.
I don't see it getting any worse. Like, how can it get worse? Like,
Because it's coming even more on Wednesday.
I go help Daddy, Mom.
You're gonna help Daddy.
But guys, we have lights in our neighborhood. Let's pray that we have lights at home.
Daddy.
false alarm.
False alarm.
Yeah, we don't got it, yeah.
We don't have lights.
I'm gonna go check if it's on.
It's off.
It's off.
The garage not even closing.
Right. Oh.
So
man.
this is what lights went out at 9 hours with no lights.